Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this device. Begin with opening settings. After that, click on display section over here and then select show screen refresh rate. After that, just click on the best option for you. I will go with this one and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, refresh rate of my Nubia has changed. But you can always go into tab menu as well, find refresh rate shortcut and click on it. Then select one of those options by tapping on the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!